Are you worried about missing out on the best performance from your brand new PS5 Pro? Don't let default settings hold back your high-end hardware. Welcome back to TechVibes. Even though the PS5 Pro is a beast, it often ships with restricted settings to ensure compatibility with older TVs. Let's optimize your setup right now with these 10 essential tips to unlock the full power of your console. Step 1. Connect using the included HDMI 2.1 cable. Not all cables are created equal, and using an older wire will prevent you from reaching 120 Hz or using variable refresh rate. Ensure you are plugged into the specific HDMI 2.1 port on your 4K TV. Step 2. Enable enhanced format on your television. Many displays require you to manually turn on high bandwidth for each HDMI port. Without this, your PS5 Pro might be stuck in 1080p or limited color range. Step 3. Calibrate your HDR settings immediately. Go into the system display menu and follow the prompts until the symbols are barely visible. This ensures your highlights are bright and your shadows stay deep without looking washed out. Step 4. Optimize your network for fast downloads. Use a LAN cable if possible. If you must use wireless, manually switch your band from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz in the network settings to avoid interference from other home devices. Step 5. Set up your custom DNS for better stability. Change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary to 8.8.4.4. This can improve your connection speeds to the PlayStation Store and reduce multiplayer lag. Step 6. Configure the performance mode preset. Under saved data and game settings, set your default to performance. This ensures every game you launch automatically targets higher frame rates without you having to hunt through every individual game menu. Step 7. Manage your storage with an M.2 SSD. The PS5 Pro has plenty of space, but moving your library to a high-speed internal drive keeps the main system memory clear for better OS snappiness. Step 8. Customize your control center. Press the PS button and hit the Options key to hide icons you never use. Keep your power, game base, and downloads front and center for a much faster navigation experience. Step 9. Set up remote play and rest mode features. Enable the Stay Connected to the Internet option in power-saving settings. This allows your PS5 Pro to download game updates and system patches while you are away, so you are always ready to play. Step 10. Update your controller firmware. Plug your DualSense into the console using the USB cable during the initial setup. This ensures the haptic feedback and adaptive triggers are functioning with the latest precision improvements. For a quick bonus tip, check out the AHA's Game Boost DI settings for older PS4 titles. The PS5 Pro can actually enhance the image quality of legacy games, making your old favorites look sharper and run smoother than ever before. If you face any difficulty during your initial setup or have questions about 4K settings, please leave a comment below. I am tracking the comments and I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If these tips helped you level up your setup, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Enjoy that incredible pro performance because you are officially ready to game.